A child without education is like a bird without wings. By educating and making one member employable, we can help in changing the financial status of the entire family. By investing in education, we contribute to the overall well-being of communities, fostering social inclusion and accelerating economic growth.
तो 2008 मतलब पहला स्कॉलर मैं ही हूँ जिन्होंने सोप्रा से स्कॉलरशिप उठाई थी और उसके बाद से जर्नी चल रही है।
Soprast Area India commenced its CSR journey with primary focus on education more than 15 years ago. Through numerous programs, special emphasis is given on girl-child's education and welfare. With time, our efforts not only evolved but also got robust and has positively impacted the lives of nearly 57,000 school children in India. Today, these students look up to a more meaningful future. Students, upon completion of schooling, are also encouraged to pursue undergraduate degrees through our uniquely designed group scholarship program.
एक बार एक कवि ने कहा था, अगर हम अपना हुनर छिपाते हैं तो छिप जाता है, लेकिन अगर दिखाते हैं तो छप जाता है। और सोप्रेस्ट एरिया हमें चांस देता है अपना हुनर दिखाने के लिए।
So I learned how to design HTML, how to create web page, chat, Excel and many more things.
Our CSR school model entails an approach of bringing out the best talent and nurturing it. We build a strong connect with the students through multiple activities like mentorship sessions, career counseling, sports and fun activities, summer camps, as well as vocational trainings. Group scholarship program not only helps them become independent and self-reliant, but also helps to provide economic support to their families. As of today, our school program has contributed towards several initiatives including establishing 47 computer labs, around 100 digital boards installed to enable smart classes, 17 STEM centers, distribution of over 1,000 tablets to senior class students, sponsoring entire education fee, books and midday meals by adopting entire class of 100 plus students and setting up of hanging libraries in schools. The group scholarship program commenced in 2009 with a handful of students by offering financial aid to children to pursue higher education. The program helps students strengthen their skill sets via professional courses and ensure a better tomorrow. It helps young minds get an exposure in the field of engineering, medicine, law, life sciences, art, and other vocational courses. This program attracted a lot of interest from our group companies, and by 2021, we had 9 Soprast area group companies offering support to pursue the university courses in India. So far, this program has helped almost 1,000 scholars complete their education and choose a career of their choice. We are proud to say that all our scholars are doing tremendously well in Soprast area. We also offer employment to deserving scholars, and many of them are currently employed with us. These students have not only given hope to many others by positively changing their lives, but they are also the role models for others.